Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another live session. Today is Tuesday, our first live. I'm a little delayed due to unavoidable reason, but finally on the desk. So hope that we will be able to start trading again for the day. Um, After yesterday's volatile market, today is very important day as we can see that euro and dollar news coming. So 7 p.m. in my zone is coming up euro, which will definitely have an impact on euro dollar. And also later tonight in my zone is coming also as ISM service manufacturing, ISM manufacturing PMI as well as jobs job opening. So followed by tomorrow coming up also ADP non-farm employment change. So I would like to see overall picture in the market, as if we closely look at, we can see that NFP week is always pretty important week. Sometime from 1 week we can get everything that we need. So I hope that you guys were patient for the live session. It was not scheduled timely. My apology this time. So I hope that we can get back to it as soon as possible. Okay, so let's see what's happening with the XAU USD, to see how the price is doing. I will be looking at again on the higher time frame. Always look at first the highest time frame to see overall picture in the market. So monthly candle closed yesterday. Today is the first day of trading week. So trading month, pardon me. So we can see the new monthly candlestick pattern. And because there is a new monthly, let's closely pay attention to the monthly candle. Now, if we look at the first long week at the top on the monthly, we can see that this is the monthly week here. And in that monthly long week, we can see that there is a half week here, half week. So I've just looked at the 50% on the monthly long week, and we may see that XAU USD bouncing back to the upside to fill that long week. So as it is a long-term bull market, you can see monthly price action is strongly bullish, no doubt about it. And this candle is also bullish continuation pattern potentially. So the bias or the bigger flow in this market is absolutely bullish. And so my bias will be on this instrument to remain bullish long-term perspective. So therefore, looking at the weekly to see, okay, now here is the a little broken down of the higher time frame to the lower time frame. A weekly bullish candle followed by another bullish candle followed by past week's candle. So the past week's candle that we can see is, okay, so here is this candlestick pattern is very important to see that it's an important support from the weekly. And as the market is getting rejection from this support, if we closely look at it, you can see there is a previous resistance which is turning support. Therefore, we may see that XAU USD is bouncing back to that resistance line again, and it could possibly be a go back and retest of the weekly resistance, because the flow is to the upside. So we might see that on XAU USD remaining bullish now for short term at least. If we look at the daily past day candle is breakdown from the structure has given us now momentum. If I readjust the support level here on the daily, which is support here, turning resistance here, we can say a little space here to fill from the daily perspective. Now from the 4-hour time frame from the intraday, we can see that there are back-to-back 3 candles bullish this is the last session's price action here. What we can see that on XAUUSD, it's a pretty strong bull market. So now let's see the 15-minute chart. Now here is something that definitely catching my eyes is how the price action has formed on XAUUSD. So you can see that here is an impulse narrow correction, impulse deeper correction, and you can see the market breakup structure. Here is a liquidity gap and the market trend is up. So for short term, from the 15 minutes and lower time frame, as we have seen some bigger flow, directional bias is bullish. That for me, I will be looking to see if there is an opportunity on XAUUSD to go long on the lower time frame. So from the 1 minute chart now that I'm looking at to identify that support and resistance, we can see that there is a gap open here, which is basically an important level. And here is, I will be waiting to see how the market might be doing to see overall picture in the market. So this is where we will be looking to see potential trading opportunity for XAUUSD, and based on that we can look for entry. So you can see there is a here is a bullish engulfer, and from the 1 minute still we can see the market here is in a sideway. So let's look at to see the potential entry on XAUUSD for this movement to the upside. In the meantime, traders, you guys, hope that you were ready for another trading day. Thank you. David, hello traders, thank you very much. Hello teacher, welcome. Paul, good morning. Maria, good morning boss. Pastor, good morning. Rose, welcome. David, good morning. Thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely. Let's see now. You can see it's now trying to break below. Here is this is what I am expecting to break from this structure completely, and then to bounce back up to create a new higher high. Okay, so you can see that here is we need to see some breakup structure, guys. This is the concept that this is the concept that made change my trading completely. I'm not sure what strategy you guys are trading, but breakup structure and then looking for the market to give us the potential entry, which is the primary concept that I use in my trading. So if you look at a structure in a market, so for example, a market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market. And in that uptrending market, if you look at higher high, higher low in an uptrending market, which is a bullish market structure, and when the market breaks from that structure, that's what you can see in this 5 minutes time frame on XAUUSD. I'm waiting for here. I'll be waiting for a potential breakup structure. That's where the opportunity comes in the market, and wait for that to see how it might be doing. Based on that, we can look for any trade coming along the way. Now so you can see here is looking at the strategy. If you guys sometime you guys and girls are asking about the strategy, so this is the if you want to know more about the strategy, find the link below this video in the description. If you want to trade with liquidity, then don't miss out to check out the website link below this video in the description area. So now forming an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so you can see there's an inverted head and shoulder formation, and now with that inverted head and shoulder, I'd like to see that it has broken enough towards the downside before we can look for entry opportunity. You'll see that. Okay, so you can see there is a gap open, and with that gap opening, expecting for the market to break below and then to revert back to the upside. Okay, thank you. And yeah, if you guys and girls haven't smashed the like button yet, I would appreciate if you do so by giving a thumbs up. And also don't miss out to subscribe to the channel. I do post everyday analysis and also over the weekend educational content to help you in your growth in trading. Okay, so the rejection is necessary to see that it's breaking well below. Thank you. Okay, now looking at, we have seen that after the break of structure, the market trying to break above. See how many pip here, potential stop loss. If we go a potentially long, we'll wait for another bounce, and then we will be looking for entry. So we'll be looking at the XAU USD here. You can see from the 1 minute, we'll be looking to see. Okay, here is you can see there is a triple top formation also. Want to see that the market is going up, breaking that resistance, and then trending to the upside to create a new higher high. I wouldn't be still not going, because if you guys look at, you can see this is a significant level of resistance here, and in that resistance there is a triple top. The market needs to be able to break the above, break the resistance, and then to create a new higher high. If you look at the 15 minutes, wanting to see that breaking below that level and then to bounce back up. So waiting for a potential trade setup sometimes takes a little time. Okay, so patience, which is the most precious things can one ever have, in this current situation. Patience is key, isn't it? It's the most difficult thing for many people, to be patient, not only being a trader but also becoming a trader. So it requires patience. Definitely anything you want out of life, it definitely requires a very huge amount of patience, so that you can prepare yourself for that. Why? Because keep in mind, the universe will not give you what you want. It's the paradox. The universe will give you everything for who you are. So everything comes on based on who you are. So you need to become rather than wanting, because there is a big difference between becoming and the wanting. So wanting is coming from the place of lack. So when anyone wants something, basically he is in a lack, right? So because one means that I don't have that, so I'm in lack. So that the lack, so it's gonna get more and more. So when we become fulfilled on that which we want, and it started to appear. But the most people fail in the way that there's a delayed factor in everything. So when you become something, there's a delayed factor to coming to you, and that's where most people fail to become patient. So this is why it is important that you become, and at the same time you remain patient to have it back to you. Guys, are you enjoying the live session? Make sure you give a thumbs up. I see that likes is still almost 1/3 of the view. So if you guys like this stream to above 20 or above, will be helpful. Now let's again looking at the chart to see potential entry. Still, this is the 15 minutes price action, and the market structure is still bullish. It may continue to rise or it may drop again. I will be waiting for a breakup structure. This is where it's important that we have that breakup structure. You can see there's a gap open here, and from that gap opening we will be waiting for the market to break below and then to revert back up, or waiting to see. Okay, so here is what we can see. With that massive gap open on the upside on the lower time frame, we'll be waiting for the price to break below and then to return back to the upside. Okay, so here is what you can see, a pin bar, a narrow doji formation. Okay, expecting to break below and then to revert back. So with this narrow doji formation, would like to see that the market is coming down, and okay, so there is a 1 minute. We might see that liquidity candle formation in that area. Just looking to see that if there is enough risk reward here. If we look at the intraday, so there is a 4-hour 20 EMA coming up, and we look at here. Okay, so there is a doji. After this doji, the market again trying to break from the structure. And what I will be doing, as you can see, the market managed to form series of higher low, and then after this pin bar, after this doji, the price is trying to break below to the structure. What I'm going to do here, guys, here is I'll be putting a buy stop for this session, first trade, to see this candle. This is the 1 minute chart. Buy stop at 2646.05, stop loss at 2644.46, strictly 1% or less than the risk, and with a definitely proper risk management. It's impossible to be profitable without proper risk management. So guys, make sure that you do proper risk management when you are opening any position. if you are, or maybe on a demo account. So I'm placing a buy stop. So pending order at 2646.055, stop loss at 2644.466, and TP target coming up at 2648.50. And we will be looking for this is a pending order. If the market managed to break above, only in the situation we will be entering into the trade. It's a buy stop, and so it's essential that guys understand that trading carry risk, and it's only for educational purpose to help you in your growth as a trader. Okay, so here is if the market is not bouncing, then we are not entering into the trade. But at the moment, we will be waiting for the price to break below and then to revert back up to create a new higher high. And okay, so here is good morning. Thank you very much. Morning, coach. How are you? Please check dollar yen. Dollar yen we will be looking to see, but at the moment we are trying to find an entry on XAU USD. Good day, good morning, coach. Thank you very much. Feel appreciated. GJ level, good morning. Euro USD, welcome. Thank you for joining the live session. Absolutely appreciate. Okay, so here is what we can see. This is a narrow rejection here. Our buy stop above this level. If the market managed to bounce, only in that case we will be entering. So buy stop is here. See if we can see that market managed to bounce. Morning, welcome. Siyan, welcome to the live session. Okay, so we are on the buy stop on XAU USD, expecting it to return back to the upside with a new momentum. So it's a pending order. We are waiting for that and looking for again the market. What we can see here, looking at the calendar, I always review the calendar. This helps us to understand the current market situation. We can see that euro dollar coming up 7 p.m. in my zone, which is 2 hours from this time. And while we place the pending order on XAU USD, which which is now trying to break below, let's quickly look at the euro dollar. I will leave it here, the pending order, and let's see that euro dollar. We can see there is a sudden breakdown on euro dollar on the lower time frame. Let's find out where it is heading, as this is an important day for euro dollar. Looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So from the monthly, we can see that this is the monthly price action. We can see that there's a monthly impulse with a long wick at the top. I always look at the monthly, weekly, and daily. You might be asking, so I don't want to get paid on the monthly, so why should I look at the monthly? Is because monthly is higher time frame, weekly and daily. When you look at the higher time frame, that will give you always a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. That will give you also the overall direction in the market to see how the price might be doing on the lower time frame. Because here, to find an entry as a trader, we need to answer www, not dot, so just 3w. The first w is which way to trade, right? So no need much complicacy. You don't need a lot of indicator, bunch of indicator or anything. You just need to figure out which way to trade, right? So which way, that means that should you press the buy or sell button. So once you found that which way to trade, the next point is to find the second w is when. Okay, so when to enter, like should you write now or wait for the confirmation? That will come from the price section, so which is the when. And the last thing that you need to do is why. Okay, so which is the emotional component of trading, which is the why you are trading. So if we look at the euro dollar from that perspective, on the monthly, we can see that there's a monthly bounce on euro dollar, and we can see that this month, after this opening initial drop, expecting it to bounce back up. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective as well, there was a doji. Now this week so far, after retesting the weekly high, the market is coming down to the weekly low, and we can expect for this price to revert back to the upside. Dropping down to the daily, we can see that there is a back-to-back 2 daily red candles, and expecting for the market to drop and then to return back up. So from the intraday on euro dollar, we can see that after this consolidation, this is a bullish market structure. And I'm dropping to the very lower time frame to see where we might see that price to react. Again, looking at the daily, because it's a bull market, and this level that we can see, this zone, is where I would like to see that the market is reacting, and based on that we can look for entry opportunity on XAU euro dollar. We'll see where it is heading. So we can see that euro dollar, we see the breakup structure, expecting for the market to revert back to the upside to see where it might be heading. And as there is a news coming later today, we might see that significant volatility, and based on that we can look for potential entry opportunity. So now let's come back to XAU USD, where we still didn't got that triggered, but this breakup structure is significant to look at. Okay, here is we can see the buy stop is still there. We'll be waiting to see. Poster James, what's the TP, please? TP, we are waiting for TP 2648.52. This will be the TP. And in the meantime, also at the end of the live session, there will be giveaway. Like every day we announce one lucky winner to join the academy. So if you guys want to enter into the competition, then don't miss out to join. Don't miss out to stick till the end of this live session to enter into the competition of the giveaway. All right, so here is the market almost came to that support level. So let's see now higher time frame assessment for this potential move. And as the market managed to bounce on the 4 hour, this drop is, for me, I think it's a positive sign. Even we can readjust our entry if we see the market has dropped well below. Okay, so breaking below is it's a good sign that we might see potential, because this there is a fair value gap here. Okay, so this is a FVG. If you guys not sure about the fair value gap, let me know, we can discuss more on that. So fair value gap here is the fair value gap, and expecting for this market to break below and then to return back up. Okay, here is see if we can see any change in the market structure. Waiting for a clear market structure formation. XAU USD, I would be I will still keep that pending order on, because we might see now deeper pullback. We saw that there is a rejection. Okay, here is a support. Expecting it to come down for a deeper pullback. Okay, so 30 minutes. That drop is essential for me. I think that we could see that drop as a positive sign of rejection again, because after, if you look at the 30 minutes, you can see that quite a few green candles. And if it is not coming down here, then we might see that the market basically bouncing. We may not see that potential bounce on that market. Okay, so you can see that support is broken here, and therefore I wouldn't keep that pending order on yet. I will be looking for the new area to place a pending order. So I'm going out of the pending order to find the new one. Okay, so I'm out of this pending order. We'll be readjusting entry as the market has broken below. It might even come back here to the order block. Okay, so it might even come back to the order block to see where it is, to see how far we might see that entry. Set music. We need something exciting. Okay, here we can see after break all this support, trying to revert back up from the 4-hour support, 15 minutes. Okay, I will be readjusting the entry now, because if we see that, you guys see 1 minute chart, there is a downtrend. All right, so if the market bounce back up from here, we might see again returning back to that level or breaking the high. So I will be readjusting my pending order. That means the buy stop from this level to that level, and we'll be targeting here 221. We'll see how far it goes. So new buy stop at 2643 with proper risk management. It's important that guys, you always keep your trading in control. So buy stop again, new area 2643.589, stop loss 2641.89, and then TP target coming up at 2647.164. New pending order on XAUUSD. If the market managed to bounce, we will be re-entering here with a very tight stop loss and with only few pip stop loss and with proper risk management. Okay, so here is I'm bullish, still not entered, but we placed the pending order. The stop loss pip here, if we consider with the buy stop consideration, only 17 to 18 pip. If the market return back up, we are on the trade. So letting you know if I am triggered the trade, and in the meantime, I would appreciate your support to the channel. If you guys are enjoying the live session, give a thumbs up. Don't smash it, just give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Check out all the links in the description. Also will be helpful to you if you want to progress as a trader. There are a lot of free stuff as well. There's a free trading course available for you on the description of this video. So if you wanna also, I guess it's there. Yeah, there's a free trading course available, which in the very beginning when we started the academy, the course was designed, so which is very beginner friendly, or even if you're an intermediate trader, definitely will be helpful to you to learn and progress as a trader. So don't miss out for that free trading course. And also there is a I think demo trading plan available. Yeah, there is a demo trading plan which also you can rewrite it for yourself to progress as a trader. So the demo trading plan will give you a very simple risk management plan where the most traders fail to identify what are the areas that need to look at to do the risk management as a trader. So check out the description of the video for all of these. Thank you. Okay, we can see bounce and we might get an entry because yeah, I'm on the trade, guys. So I'm on the trade on XAUUSD. Let's get some peep here. And also at the end, there's something for anyone want to join the academy. There will be a competition, a small competition from the viewers to take one of you in the academy to learn the strategy that I'm trading and to become part of the trading community. So don't miss out to enter that competition by stick till the end of this live session. So we can see it. You can see it. Guys, here is the inverted head and shoulder formation. Now, yesterday, I remember one of you asked about the head and shoulder, or the inverted head and shoulder. Now, this is what I was talking about, that, when you see head and shoulder, for me, not only for me, for most traders, any reversal pattern is important when it serves the purpose of the trend, which is absolutely important because trend is the most important factor that I look at when I make my trading decision. And not only me, I guess every traders who are profitable and who understand the market, who knows that the market basically moves based on those who are real mover in the market, they trade based on the direction of the trend. So smart trader are those who follow the big boys, and following the big boys is very important. If we think that we know everything, that's definitely a mistake. And that's why all my strategies that based on the smart money trading system. Okay, here is a little bit of risk here. See where it is heading. 1 minute chart. It's a big drop. Okay, so 5 minutes, 1 minute. It's massive break. Is this we need to allow some drawdown here. 30 minutes. So the stop loss peep are very narrow. Now if it is, there is a rejection which is now here is I'll keep 1 or 2 peep below this structure so that you can overcome that if it is reverting back from here, or because if the market so the stop loss here to 2641.89. Yeah, so 2641.89 on the support. There is a now 50-50 chance for the market to be able to return to the upside or breaking below. This is a very narrow, we can see narrow consolidation here, and big drop, consolidation, expecting it to return, or I will be putting 1 peep down the stop loss just to see that. So I put my stop loss. Okay, so it has got a bounce, which I didn't even need it to move. So I place my stop loss at 2641.80. So here suddenly moved to the near to the profit target, pardon me, entry. So I am at my stop loss at 2641.80 instead of 89. Just keeping you updated. So updated SL at 2641.80. Now this is our possibility. Either if it breaks below, then we might get out of the trade. If it managed to bounce, then we might be on the trade, and we will be holding it to see if it happens for us. Okay, now that's where the key. Okay guys, so important that we take the risk to gain a reward, and at the same time risk management is the heart of becoming profitable as a trader, which is very, very important. If you guys want to be really profitable as a trader over the long term, it's important that you always do the risk management. Okay, so here is now second candle has got a long wick. So we are nearing to the entry. Okay, here is the 5 minutes, and okay, I'm still holding it to see if the market. Now here is the key points to see that if it is the trend is remaining up or reverting back. 30 minutes closed. Right, it's almost nearing to the entry, and then got out, exit with this very few pip, 17 18 pip, and it returned back up again. Come on, I am, let me see. If it is worth re-entering or okay, so I am re-entering with the same setup again. Stop loss below this low. Okay, so entry here, stop loss here at 2641.06, with the fact that we might as the market broken below with the same risk, I have re-entered buy again on XAU USD, and with the same TP I'm buy again. We got stopped out, but same thing, we will be re-entering again. So I'm bullish again on XAU USD. didn't I do by market? Okay, so I'm on the trade again. So if you are not doing the risk management, guys, it's impossible for you to remain profitable over the long term. Okay, so you can see it's moving back up, and if it return back to the upside, then we might see a continuation. So money maker, thank you very much. JPY, thank you. uh, okay, here is there is a, if you guys look at, you can see big move, and the 1 minute. It's forming a narrow structure in that area, and okay, holding on to that to see if if it is an, if it, this was most likely a liquidity grab. If that's the liquidity grab, then we might see that a potential trend continuation, that I'm waiting to see that, uh, to see if there is any trend coming in the market in the direction. 15 minutes bullish candle formation. Okay, holding on to that, holding on to this trade to see how far it might be moving towards the upside. Okay, here is, if you guys look at it, is a 5 minutes bullish engulfer, and this 5 minutes candle, if it is a, you can see it's a tremendous amount of liquidity grab from this, and if that's the situation, we might see that with that one, the price to continue towards the upside to the major direction of the trend. Okay, after forming that inverted head and shoulder, the trend is up. So are you guys with the trade? Here is not that stop loss, but that one winning. We need to hold it for bigger profit. Now this one is now more than the previous one's stop loss, but we will be holding it to the full to see how far it is heading. Okay, we can see trend continuation potentially, waiting on that to see it's breaking above to create a new higher high. Okay, gap open, and we don't need a bad move here. Now from the 4-hour time frame, there is a candle close in 4 hours. So we I think that if the XAUUSD managed to bounce, it might even bounce back to 2648 level, which could potentially be if it is bouncing. So we'll see that how far we will be holding it. If now here our target here 46 pip, so that we can gain the previous one plus the new momentum. 1 hour chart. Okay, here is after a gap open, the market is still moving back up, and so anyone running the trade, how many of you in this trade, guys? Say yes if you're running to see how many members on the trade. Okay, so GNU, yes. Anyone else? Elijah, yes, welcome. Anyone else? Rose, yeah. Key here is to do the risk management, which is very important, guys. It's absolutely important. Media, welcome. So I'm holding it. I want to see that it's managed to bounce. Yes, welcome. Yeah, which is let's see if it revert back to the upside. I'm expecting it to return. See what happened. This 1 minute candle. Don't want to see that it's getting a rejection. And also, in addition, if you guys are enjoying the live session, definitely make sure you keep it educational so that you can learn and grow as a trader together in the academy with me. And also, for those who are trading currently, also the broker that I am trading also providing 50% deposit bonus on your deposit. So you can find link below this video. I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can use that link to sign up and then claim that bonus based on where you are geography. Depending on your location, it will vary. And additionally, also, if you guys a beginner as a trader, then there is a beginner A to Z trading course which is free for everyone. This is just to help the trading community to learn, because I understand that how it is important, especially in the beginning. It's really hard to find the right information, how to calculate the pips, how to understand the market structure, and how to understand how to apply the risk management. So all of that, I have a free compacted course completely for free for the YouTube community. You can find link below this video. Go to that link and then watch that, which is definitely will be helpful to progress as a trader. And in addition, you need to have a right mindset, patience, as well as trading tools also important to have some indicator that might be helpful. I'm not very fan of indicator, but I do use 10 and 20 EMA, and which is sometime give a very clear idea of the trend. And also one of my best tool that I see, this one, you can see this is the 5 minutes, and exactly this is the second entry based on this 5 minutes, which is a liquidity candle. Now liquidity candle is the candlestick pattern that the market has grabbed liquidity, and based on that I do enter my trade. You can see this one here also a very good move here, and this one here. But disclaimer is that you may not find all trade winner, but here is the key is risk management. We need to have a higher reward to risk along with the strategy. So if you are our member, then if you don't have get access to that, also let the support know in the support email or address. You can get access to that liquidity candle indicator all for all time frame. Now let me see here, 1 minute. Okay, this is now this move here, 1 minute. I'm still holding it for higher TP. Okay, we can see improvement in the movement. Okay, here we can expect it to remain bullish to the upside. So you can see it's raining. It's raining. Good to see that raining in summer. Okay, so here, guys, this is where one more bounce needed to hit the TP. So I don't want to see that again returning back to the entry. So sometime annoying, isn't it? We see while driving without license and crashing my studio. Can be done. Okay, so one more rejection to the upside, and one more bounce can give us that. Okay, so we can see some upside here, which is good for us. Currently, we are more than what we have in our previous trade, so which is good to see that, winner is more than the loser. That's the key to be profitable as a trader. Okay, now I'm gonna take the profit fully to so my TP is more than my previous entry. So that is how trading is. No one can give you all the time, like you can see here is now 40 pip up. So the previous one was 17 pip. This one is so here is plus 40 pip. So overall we are 23 pip on that one. Okay, are you guys with me? We got that trade sorted. Okay, it's moving in that direction still. It might go up even further. Okay, so yeah, I'm out of the trade at the moment, and I'm out with the trade. It's the status of yours, guys. Just some pips. Welcome, poster. Yes. Good job. Okay, so now we can see that it has hit that TP, and now it may continue to the upside for a little more time. But at the moment, what I'm going to do is as you can see later today, guys, don't miss out that live session coming up on NY session as well. We'll be looking at covering those news as well. So two very high impact news uh, in this live session will coming up another one, and from this live session one lucky winner will be able to enter into the competition. Now for the like one lucky winner can enter into the academy from this live session. So the keyword that you can write, should we keep the same or different? So keep it same so that everyone can write it. Liquidity, you can write that keyword to enter into the competition. We'll be taking at least 10 to 15 members in the competition, and then we'll be rolling it up. One lucky OPU, long time. One lucky OPU can join this academy where you will be trade with liquidity in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So this is the website where also you can check out more information. So let's write that keyword. Paul, welcome. So let's cheer up this live session by familiar music. It's very sad, isn't it? I got 5 eligible members in the competition to enter the academy using with the giveaway. Thank you. You can write that live chat, liquidity. I'm out as well. Thank you. Great trade. Perfect trade. Welcome. Yeah, absolutely. Liquidity. That's what it is. We need to have 1 or 2 great trades that will give everything that we need. I got 7 eligible members. You can write the keyword to enter. So once you write the keyword, you will be on the competition. I got 8 eligible members. Got 9 eligible members. After 10 we will be rolling it up. waiting for one more member to (11 eligible users. Let's roll it up for the day. Extreme Media is today's winner. These sessions of the liquidity trade with liquidity as well as mentorship program. If you still want to enter the academy, also we have spots available, open for few members before you close. You can visit the website. In the meantime, also Extreme Media, I don't know your name, but I see the username. Congratulations for being part of the academy. You can use the website to let us know that you are the winner of the liquidity candle. We can straight send back to you in your inbox. So with that being said, thank you, and I'll see you very soon again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.